How to send Amazon gift card to another country. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now go to the Amazon website of that country. Open up the website. Now tap on three dots and enable desktop site. After that, tap on your name at the top right corner. Now tap on gift cards. Now zoom your screen and click on purchase a gift card. Now select Amazon gift cards. Now select e-gift card. Now select the gift card amount. Now enter the email address for Now enter the email address of the person you want to send to. You can also use your custom message. Now tap on buy now. Now complete the payment process and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.